back here with another haul. A few weeks ago I went to a sample sale for Sandro and Maj, and I have some things from them, as well as yesterday was Black Friday. Went shopping yesterday and did some shopping today, so I just have some things I wanted to show you. So I will start with the Maj sample sale. So I got this top, and it comes with the shorts. Really cute. I thought this would be really nice to wear like for New Year's Day brunch. It's very holiday attire. I also got this really cute skirt from Maj. It's the front, that's the back, and the deals were great. And then I got a dress, which I thought was really cute. I plan on wearing this for New Year's Eve. Not that, who knows if I'm going anywhere, but anyways, at least I'll feel pretty in it. So that is Maj. Then there's Sandro. The Sandro sale wasn't as good. Oh, I forgot I got this. So I got this skirt. It's a mini skirt. It's denim and like black, I guess like a polyester blend, but it was originally $265, and I got it for $70. So that was a really good deal. And then I only got one more thing there. I got this sweater, and it's really pretty because you put it on and it has like this part attached to it. So it looks like you're wearing, if you go like that, it looks like you have like a little sweater tied around your waist. Super cute. Anyways, that was originally $260, and I got that for $75. So another good deal. Okay, so then I ordered a couple things from Shein. Actually, 2 sweater vests. Super cute. The quality is actually really good. Really, really nice. I got this black cable knit sweater vest. And then I got the same one in like a caramel color. Yeah, it's really nice. Really cute. And then from this one was an Instagram purchase, J.Ing. Never bought from them before, but this is like a vest sweater dress, and this was a good deal. This was like not even $40. So I thought this would be cute. You can belt it with a nice thick belt and little black booties. You can wear it sleeveless like this, or put like a long white sleeve work shirt inside. That would look really nice. Okay. Oh, and then from a store from a website called LA Trading, I got a really cute loungewear set. And this is so soft. I wish you could feel this. It is, oh my God, the most delicious, I don't know, cotton, I don't know what this is, but it's amazingly soft. I've never felt any loungewear this soft. I don't know what it is. But anyway, so that's the jacket. I got a size small. And then I got really cute. Okay, so then I went to a mall, regular mall. I went to Victoria's Secret. Didn't really find much, but I got this top, which is super cozy. It's like a sweater, but it comes with, wait, let me get it. So I had bought these from Victoria's Secret a month ago, or 2 months ago. Like, they were $10 on sale, but I couldn't find the top. So today, when I went to to Victoria's Secret, I found the top that goes with it. It wasn't on sale, but at least I have the matching set now, so I'm excited to wear that. It's just like something just to wear around the house. Then I also went to the Escada outlet, and I had wanted a belt. And I thought this was cool because it's not the typical one with the E's. It's really bad. But anyway, to wear like with a dress or I don't know, just like that sweater vest thing. But anyways, this was a really good deal because this was originally $3.95 and I got it for $89.25 with tax. So you can't beat that. It's really cute. Cute. And then, okay, so then today I went to the Design District with my daughter. She's my partner in crime. Anyways, I get more stuff I bought down there, but I'm not going to show you that because that's obviously for them, and I need to wrap it for my son and daughter. But anyway, so got a little something of Prada. It's really just a little something, but I think it's really cute. Okay, so they are so cute. These are little Prada socks. These are big Prada socks. They're bigger than I thought. Oh my God. But anyway, so these are cute because I wear a lot of the Chelsea style boots. And that's what I've been wearing like all fall. And I just think this looks cute, like sticking out of the boot. I just think it looks really cute. So anyways, I got those, and these were, let's see, they were about $105, $110 for these. And then last, but I did say the best for last, Ferragamo was having an amazing sale. And so I got myself my Christmas gift. From me to me. The girl was right, she really didn't know how to tie bows. You think they teach them, but anyway. It's a bag. She is so cute. My son was about to walk in. So anyways, it's a little box bag. And so if you can see, she's absolutely adorable. Oh my God, she is the cutest thing. And they got me a fresh one from the back, which is always such a great feeling. And what's nice about this is that you can hand hold it like a proper little lady she is, or you can hold her like this, or what I love is the mixture of such a small little ladylike bag with this funkier chain, strap. Anyway, so like I said earlier, they were having a really good sale in Ferragamo. All their bags, not all, but a lot of bags are like 30% off. And I think they said it was going to go on for about 2 weeks. It's also online if you're interested. But this is her. And the color is just so pretty. It's a piece of candy. I just think she's so cute. Anyway, I guess you want the price. I paid, it was on sale for $1,300 and it was originally, I don't know my receipt.
Is it in the Balenciaga bag? Or is that the Dior receipt?
That was the Dior receipt. I don't think she did.
I think she did get your receipt, remember? She said, let me get the receipt for you.
Yeah, but where did she put it?
Is it in a red card? Is there a red card in there?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, so it was originally $18.90 and it came out to, with tax, $14.15. Oh, so that's almost as good of a deal as I thought it was. Yes, it was. It's still a good deal. It was 30% off. Anyways, I saw this bag a few weeks ago when I was back in the design district and I didn't want to spend that much on it, but now that it's on sale, I thought it was worth it. But anyways, here she is again. And that is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you come back soon to watch another video. Thank you.